Hey everyone, I'm here again, but today, like I promised last time, I said I would have played Animal Jam, so here it is. And I know that you guys don't comment that much, but if you would like to see more of this, please com- um please say that in the comments down below and leave a big thumbs up. So I'm just gonna get right. I just got signed in right now, and I'm going to just. What the heck? Is this not for real? For reals? Animal Jam, if you're reading this, you are a meanie. I just don't do nothing for 3 minutes, and then you just make me do my whole entire thing over again. Jesus. For Jesus. P. Good. Finally. You guys mean a lot to me sometimes. Well, only when there is people in there. Thank you so much. Like I said, if you want more Animal Jam, all you have to do is just comment down below or leave a thumbs up. Your choice. Here's my account. I've played before, and here's just how it's gonna come down. Yeah, I have a lot of items. Don't rush me. I'll try to do everything I can. And I'm sorry if it's the wrong way around because I'm using an iPad. I'm sorry if you guys didn't know that, but I am using an iPad. This time I'm just going to be trolling people, but I'm going to say I'm recording, but I'm actually not. My brother's being a big fat jerk today. He wants to be in the video, and I keep saying no because this is Animal Jam.
No, I'm saying I want to watch.
No. Watch me play Animal Jam?
Yes.
No. This kid's a weirdo.
He is.
Stop it.
Yeah.
And now we have a trade. What's that? Seahorse fountain. That TV torch. No. And you guys, remember, if you ever want to play Animal Jam, all you have to do is search up my name and then you can be my buddy. And my name is Superhero 2012R. If I were you, I would put it on a piece of paper right now just for your info. Ooh, even there's a magic trick. Aw, man. Well, I guess I might. Oh, yeah, and guys, there's something that I want to show you about the potions. If you click, I know that a lot of YouTubers has been doing this, like a party and everyone, but I'm just showing you guys. Just click everything 3 times, but click that once. Like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then when you click that, wait for it, boom, you get a magical. See? It's all changing colors. And now what I want to show you guys is wrong way. Stop, JoJo. I want wanted to show you guys something that maybe other people might not know. I'm just gonna put an emoji because now sleep. I just put that emoji so other people to sleep. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put sleep next to me. Sorry if I can't spell. And if it doesn't work, people might not even want to do it. Jojo.
What?
Don't scream. If you want. Jojo.
What?
I'm just gonna be like that. The video can hear it. Joe.
What?
You can play Animal Jam on this and be with me.
I'm playing Animal Jam.
And I'm filming.
Can I put down your best film with you?
Not it be in the video, but you can play Animal Jam.
Yeah.
Just don't talk.
Not very much.
Yeah. I mean, like, you guys, this is weird, but yeah, that'll never work. But I'm sorry that this video was so boring. But if you do like it, subscribe to my channel and leave likes if you want me to play more. And even put in comments of what else you want me to do on this game. I can even if you guys want me to, never mind, that was weird. I can do whatever you want on Animal Jam, just not get rares because I'm non-member, and if you guys are nice enough, maybe you can put in a code for members in the comments below. You guys, if you guys play Animal Jam like after 12 to 6, in between that, I promise I might be on it. Maybe even in the morning. If you be my buddy, then you'll know when I'm playing. And I'm looking at the clock. Well, please subscribe, leave likes, and comment down below. And goodbye, my fans.